everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Gwyneth, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated eyebrow routine. I believe the last one that I uploaded was back in 2019, I think. So before I begin, I'd like to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are not familiar with Ana Luisa, they sell sustainable, great quality pieces of jewelry. So I've worked with Ana Luisa in the past and they sent me jewelry before, and I wear this one specific necklace almost every day and I've showered with it and it still stays gold. It doesn't turn green, which is what I like about their jewelry. This one is the necklace that I'm talking about, Margot. I wear it almost every day and it's still gold. I'm currently wearing their heritage necklace set, which comes with two dainty gold necklaces, and I love that their necklaces are stackable like this. And then I'm also wearing their Ostrica earrings, which has a little pearl at the end of a drop chain, and then the gold piece near the ear reminds me of the Margot necklace, so it's beautifully paired together. And then they've also sent me Mickey, which is a thin twisted gold necklace, kind of similar to the heritage set, very dainty and pretty. And then they've also sent me earrings. These are called Amy, which are twisted gold hoops. You know, I love gold hoops. You can like mix and match their jewelry, their earrings. They also sell rings. So if you guys are interested in any of the pieces that I showed you today, Ana Luisa is actually having their biggest sale of the year, which is buy one, get one, 60% off. You guys can click the link in my description box down below. So I actually begin my eyebrow routine in the middle of my skincare routine. So I like to cleanse my face first, and then I like to apply hair gel. Now I replaced soap for brows with hair gel. I don't know if you guys have watched my video called I found a product better than soap brows, and the product that I use is the got2b ultra glued Invincible styling gel. Now I know in the comments I did mention that I'm trying to find a product better than this one just because the ingredients aren't that ideal for the skin, but I still use it. I haven't found anything better than this. It makes your eyebrows stay way longer than soap. Like, it's not gonna move throughout the whole entire day. So let me know if you guys find a product that works just as good as this one. I haven't found one with better ingredients, but this hasn't caused any irritation to my skin, or I haven't experienced balding, anything like that. So this is what I use just for now. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys find anything better, but this is the product that I like to use. So I like to take a spoolie. I take the product on the tip, and then I begin to work it at the front. Brush it through, and I like to utilize like my fingers, so I'll just brush my fingers through just so that it stays flat. All the way up in the front, and then start going at like a 45-degree angle once I get to the ends. And I also like to flatten it like so. And it's up to you if you want to leave it like this, but I don't. So I'm going to take my spoolie, make sure that all the hairs are kind of going up. And then I take the spoolie and kind of drag the top of it like so. Like kind of flatten the top, straighten it up. Also want to make sure that they're all going up at the same time. Bam. So you guys can see how this one is all brushed up and this one is just laying there plain dead. Brush it all the way up if you'd like, but I just like to kind of tame the hairs at the top. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other brow. So this is how my brows look with the gel, and there is gonna be some gel residue around your eyebrows, so I like to take a cotton round and wipe it. And this is the reason why I like to start my eyebrow routine during my skincare routine, just so I can wipe the gel product away and then apply my skincare products afterwards. Alright, now to fill in my brows, I don't use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade anymore. It will give me the same effect, but I like to use a different product now, and the product I like to use is the NYX Brow Tint Pen in the color Espresso. So it's literally just kind of like an eyeliner pen, but for eyebrows, and it's more tinted. It's not as pigmented. So with this, I literally just draw eyebrow hairs on my eyebrows. So I'll try to explain it as best as I could. So I literally just filled in my left eyebrow that I wanted to show you guys, but my camera was not focusing. So I like to just fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows. So that's usually under here, the end, and then the front. And I literally just do hair-like strokes. It takes a bit to get used to, because if you go too hard, it's gonna be too pigmented, or the stroke might not come out the way that you want it to. So it just takes time to get used to. So I literally just do hair-like strokes, like I said. So I start at the ends and fill my way in. And I like to use like a very light hand. As you guys can see, I was kind of flicking it. I'm not creating like a whole entire line. I'm just trying to mimic hair. And just like hair, some are short, some are longer than others. I'm hoping that it focused. So these are my eyebrows filled in. I like to clean them up with concealer that's the same color as my skin tone. So I like to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 Light. And then I like to use a brush with a straight square edge, the same size as like my eyebrow. I usually start in the middle, under the brow. And this is just so I have the least product going to the front. Once I have the shape that I like to drag the concealer down. I don't like to use too much, I just want this for cleaning purposes, you know. Drag it down. And then I use my finger to blend this in, like that. So I'm gonna do the same thing on my other eyebrow. Next, I like to take some foundation to clean the top of my brow. I don't like to use the same concealer, I just want it to match correctly. So the foundation that I use today is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Foundation in the shade 118 Light Beige. And then I do the same exact thing that I did with the concealer to clean it up. I'm just gonna do it at the top of my brows. Alright guys, that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found it helpful. Again, if you guys are interested in any of the Ana Luisa pieces that I've shown you guys can receive a buy one get one 60% off discount by clicking the link in my description box down below. And this is going on now until November 29th. If you guys have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!